This PlayStation 5, it is a disc edition. It's actually got an overheating problem. If we just pop the side panel off. So first of all, we need to remove all of that. I hope it hasn't done any damage to the Wi-Fi IC. Essentially on these fan connectors, there's 3 pins. There's a positive, a negative, and then there's a sense control pin to tell the fan to spin faster or slower. What we're going to do, like so. That's the solder mask back on and the area cleaned up a little bit more. Replacement connector with all the mask around the back. Hopefully we shall see some fan spin when we press the power button. 3, 2, 1. There we go, fan spin. Brilliant.
For your Xbox and PlayStation repairs, visit consoletherapy.com.